My name's Kaitlin.
I'm Neve.
My name is Tim Griffiths.
My name's Jasper.
And I've just finished.
I've just finished.
So I've just finished
I just finished my level 3 apprenticeship with CRIW
CRIW Cymru.
CRIW Cymru.
CRIW Cymru.
I would say the highlight of this apprenticeship would just be that I got to try different things. So I've done bits of production, bits of being on set, and mostly in editorial and post-production, but I just like that it gives me the chance to just explore.
I'd say a highlight of my apprenticeship was kind of meeting others around the same age as me who had similar interests, and just having the opportunity to work in bigger budget productions with people with a lot more experience than I'm kind of used to working with, and just learning from them, really.
My highlight would be meeting new people and getting to experience a range of different things on set.
My highlight was probably working on The Way. It was a Michael Sheen production. I got way more responsibilities, was kind of doing more of a production secretary role, but I really enjoyed it. It was tough, but it was really good fun.
So I'm not 100% sure what my next steps are going to be. I think it's helpful now that I've got that idea of what I enjoy. I'm staying on with Lost Boys and Fairies for 3 more months, and then hoping to get more into drama, but just happy wherever.
My next steps are to find the next job. I'm very fortunate that after the end of this production that I've got another 9 weeks of work, but then after that it's a little bit scary, so I have to start emailing and messaging and being a nuisance to people to find the next job.
My next step would be to have more experiences and see what this industry has to offer.
So now that I've finished my apprenticeship, I've been looking at becoming a production runner, and I've been lucky enough to be accepted onto a new production called Gen Z, and I'll be starting that tomorrow.
I would say just go for it, because before my apprenticeship I was considering university, but I think, and I've heard from so many people, that an apprenticeship is much more beneficial because you actually see in the industry, learning in the industry, and people are accepting the fact that you're learning, so you can see all these different things and just get more of an insight.
Just do it. Just crack on. You have nothing to lose from it. You know, worst comes to worst, you could always go back to university after the apprenticeship. You could go to college after the apprenticeship. You could just go into a different career path after the apprenticeship. So yeah, what I'd say is just do it. And if you're looking to move like I did during the apprenticeship, there's enough money there to pay your rent, pay your bills, and keep you going for the rest of the month.
I would say go for it, and yeah, and see what you can achieve, and but most importantly, have fun is what I'd say.
If you want to come into this industry, I definitely recommend going through an apprenticeship scheme like CRIW Cymru. It was really easy for me to get onto a production after I'd struggled for a really long time to get into this industry.